There are more than 1,000 CRM templates on Notion. So how do you know which one to use? After weeks of research, testing, and comparing, we built what we consider to be the best Notion CRM template. And in this video, you'll see how it works. So first off, this template is completely free. You don't need to sign up, submit your email address, or upgrade to a paid plan. The layout is simple and is just a few columns. So let's dive in and take a closer look. So when you open the template, you'll first see your main workspace. From here, you can keep track of activities, contacts, deals, and organizations. But this workspace is just a summary. To see the full picture, use the navigation menu to jump into individual pages. Let's start with the action stream. This is where you'll find your list of next actions, which are the specific steps you need to take to stay in touch with contacts and move deals forward. These activities are organized and color-coded based on their deadlines, so you can instantly see what needs attention. You can also switch to a calendar view if you prefer to manage your activities that way. And if you're working with the team, you can view and manage other team members' next actions as well. The action stream is inspired by OnePageCRM's core feature, which is why it shares the same name. Now, let's move on to contacts. And inside each contact profile, you can manage their basic details, leave notes, assign ownership, and even send emails. You'll also see your next steps with that contact, along with any deals currently associated with them. And there's also a free web form included. So when someone fills it out, a new contact is automatically added to your database. Next up is the deals page. This is where you manage your sales opportunities using a Kanban board. You can see which contacts are linked to each deal, the value of each opportunity, and whether there's a pending activity attached. From here, you can drag and drop deals as they move through the stages, you can archive closed deals, and you can use a pie chart to get a quick snapshot of how your sales are performing. And finally, there's the organizations page. This is where you'll find all of the companies in your database, along with every contact associated with each one. Now, while this Notion template is powerful, it's still not a fully fledged CRM. It works really well for organizing contacts, deals, and next actions. But once your sales process grows, there are certain things Notion just isn't built for. For example, it doesn't have email tracking, bulk email send, automation, or revenue forecasting. And it can't manage things like detecting duplicate contacts or tracking delivery once a deal is won. That's where a dedicated CRM comes in, like OnePageCRM. It's a top choice for small businesses who use it to manage sales, stay on top of follow-ups, and build better customer relationships, but without the unnecessary complexity. It's also one of the most affordable CRMs in the market and comes with a 21-day free trial. You'll find links in the description to get this free Notion template as well as that free trial to OnePageCRM. And if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, hit like and subscribe. Cheers.